Alright, so here we have 3x plus 4y minus 2x. What do we notice? Well, we notice we have some like terms. So let's group them. So we have 3x minus 2x plus 4y. Of course, 3x minus 2x, that is equal to x. We're going to bring down our plus 4y. These two terms are dissimilar, they cannot add, so this is our simplified answer. Alright, so here we have 7y plus 5x minus 2y. We have similar terms. We have 7y minus 2y plus 5x. When we simplify our y terms, we get 5y, bring down our plus 5x. Y and x are dissimilar terms, they cannot add, so this is our final answer. But here is a bonus extra step. We can factorize the 5, which is the constant on both expressions. So if we factor out 5, we're left with y plus x. Right, so here we have 4ab minus ab plus 6ab. All of the terms are similar, so we're just going to work them out. So we have 4ab minus ab plus 6ab. Alright, we can group the first two to simplify our calculation. 4ab minus ab, that is 3ab. Bring down our 6 plus ab, that will give us 9ab. Alright, and here we have 3xy plus 8x minus 5xy. So we already see some like terms. Let's group them. So we have 3xy minus 5xy plus 8x. Right, so let's simplify. This is minus 2xy plus 8x. Let us put the positive in front, so we have 8x minus 2xy. These two are the similar terms, so of course we cannot simplify, but here is a bonus step. We notice that there is 2x common in both expressions, so we can factor out 2x. We're left with 4 minus y.